Kesengi ke besuk, kesengi ke bekamen ya pi barok, ki perlok, ki baju pej, bat, ki baju kersan ya ki video ke jungi nak kapor. Menta kesengi nak kuat ban peni ya pi, ya ke Kshaid, ke bayat lingba, jong ke surok, ke bayat kali, ke bayat beriau, bat keni ke jaka ke don hakitan Mawsynram. Tekum ta ngalaap nak hamslem, ya keni kapor, ya ke bangan yuk benik keni ke jaka, bat keni ke jaka, kedai ke surok ke balik cepat mau kapan ter syadu Kenmynsaw pat kedai ke jaka ke surok ke badan ke limti shiteng riat pat kedai ke jaka ke ba ima bah ke kumta yaisa bagi video ke jongi pen I yapi hado bakut jong kani ke jing internet jong kani ke jaka.
If anyone there I can't hear anything. I'm just in the cloud. Woo! This is the beauty of the nature. I'm alone here. Woo! No, I can't find anyone here. I have to go back. Woo!
Dai namar kata habaki melung ditho ya ki poetry kajumi nakatway do bedodut kajongki ban ang akuri khasi shanoshu mencem komapha haka perthai habingi sngap ya kajing sawa jongkiwa habingi sngap ya ki sur ka Kshaid habingi pej ya ka jingder nam juga memariang ki long shisha ki jaka ki bada ithiang bada ihun shisha hado kata-kata nilayo ya kaban saki dalaki jongki khamat Hamtam lele ya kani ke Kshaid kabayat lingba ka surok ya kali bat kabale se minum la ban modor ha kajing im ka jungi ong ye ti perlok ngala ap ya kani ka por la khamslam bat ni habban ap yaita ipor ibadai badai namar kata kadau klem la ban klem da connect ane ban penyesno ya kata kajing im jungi bat kani ka memarian Shirin yang kijan, ngalayo ya kaban ban shawa lani ban sum chat happening dong ulaba. Kedik experience kaban incredible, kedik experience kaban laban batai tangba ngalale ya ka.
My friend, this is Meghalaya, above the cloud. So this is the waterfall in Mawsynram, and it is a very steep road, but you can see that this waterfall is just across this road. It's so beautiful, but I'm telling you, if you want to travel to Meghalaya, please take the guidance of the locals. This is the best time to visit Meghalaya if you want to see the greenery, if you want to see the waterfalls, and you can see quite a beautiful surrounding that really you can really connect with the nature. And I invite all my friends from all over the world to visit Meghalaya in the rainy season and experience the beautiful waterfalls in the state. And in all the districts, we are really happy to show you. But remember, please follow the instructions of the locals. Thank you so much.
Kumta kane kandai saka waipat kasmi kaban pinsa jengma ha ka jing im ka jonga ya kaba ayo ya kaban le kamen bat kamariam badru ban experience ya ki bangam pad experience ha ka jing im ka jonga ya isa bagi video ke jongi perlo ya kersan ya ki video ke bangi jupeni bat kami kan long kajing ai musim bagi nangai pen isu syu dia kajing itanat jong kari khasi kari jantia pat kom juru ki jaka haka pertai para kawai